Hi, my name is Leanne and I'm going to hypnotize you to release anxiety in the space of just a few minutes. I'm a qualified, certified hypnotherapist, EMDR practitioner, NLP and manifesting coach, and I suffered with anxiety myself for 20 years. And I so wish I had this that I'm going to share with you 20 years ago to help me deal with my anxiety. So, only if it's safe to do so, and only if you're truly ready to release anxiety, I'd like you to gently close your eyes. And as you close your eyes, you notice they feel so heavy and so deeply relaxed, so deeply heavy. If you tried to open them, you really couldn't. And as your eyes feel so heavy and relaxed, you notice your scalp and your face deeply relaxing too. And all the little muscles in your face and jaw just melting as your whole body feels a huge wave of relaxation just unfold through it, from your head all the way down to your toes. Every muscle, every fibre is relaxing and letting go. And as your body relaxes, your mind relaxes. As your mind relaxes, your body relaxes. And your mind is relaxing so beautifully as you focus on my voice and just slip deeper and deeper into a wonderful place where your mind and body just start to drift. And this feels so wonderful that you're going to take that relaxation and you're going to make it 5 times deeper. And now you're going to take that relaxation, going to make it 10 times deeper. And then take it 50 times deeper. And as you do, you'll notice you're standing at the top of a set of stairs with the most ornate polished banister. And you notice stepping onto it, the most sumptuous soft carpet in your favourite colour. And you notice how it feels between your toes. And we're going to go down those steps one by one, getting deeper relaxed with each step. Step 5, deeper. Step 4, even deeper. Step 3, more relaxed. Step 2, deeper still. Step 1, the most relaxed you've ever felt. And at the bottom of the stairs is a beautiful door, and through this door is the most amazing place you can imagine, where you feel so safe and secure. And in this place you can see all the resources you'd ever need to be completely calm, happy and anxiety free. Go through that door and take a look around and see all those things. And in the centre of this place is a wonderful bed, the most sumptuous, luxurious bed you've ever seen. And as you lay down and feel so safe and so comforted and so secure, you sink deep into those covers, deeper and deeper into relaxation. And as you lie on that bed, feel in your body for a moment where you'd usually feel your anxiety, and just notice. Maybe it's the stomach, the shoulders, the neck, the chest. And now as you get even more deeply relaxed, just feel that area and recognize how you'd usually feel that anxiety, and give it a shape and a colour. And okay, now I want you to quickly change that colour and shape to the opposite. So if it's dark and hard, make it soft and light. And perhaps it's your favourite colour and your favourite kind of shape. And notice it's getting lighter and lighter and lifting. It's so light you can easily shift it around your body. And now here, so deeply relaxed and safe and secure, you're going to shift it from its location in your body out to one of your arms. And it's now moving down your arms so quickly now, and moving out to your hands and your fingers, out and out. And it's flowing out of your fingers, out into the space beyond you. It is gone. It is no longer within your body. It is gone. And as you feel it leave you now, feel an incredible lightness. Now the anxiety has moved out for good. You feel so happy and relaxed and safe. And I want you to take those incredible sensations of happiness, safety and relaxation that you feel now, and I want you to double them. And now I want you to triple them. Now take those feelings and quadruple them, make them feel so, so strong. And I want you for a second to think of any occasion you might have usually got anxious about. And I want you to see yourself in that situation, but dealing with it amazingly, with no sensations of anxiety. You're totally calm, totally unfazed, and handling it all so beautifully. And as you do, see and feel your whole body is bathed in your favourite colour. And you feel so empowered and you feel so calm. And that's amazing. You're doing so brilliantly now. And from now on, Every time you notice a situation where you would normally start to feel anxious, instead you feel these amazing feelings of lightness and calm and safety and a deep relaxation as you do now, and as you do every time you see or imagine your favorite color. And now, on the count of 5, you're going to come out of this amazing space and this bed, and you will feel alert, refreshed, and bring all these amazing feelings with you back into the room. So 1, easily and gently returning to your full awareness once again. 2, you feel great and ready to continue with your day. 3, from head to toe, you're feeling wonderful in every way, physically perfect, mentally fit, and emotionally calm. 4, your eyes feel sparkling clear and fresh. And 5, eyes wide open, fully aware and feeling wonderful. So, I would love to hear from you in the comments below what resources you found you had in your special place and how you felt after using this hypnosis. You can come back and use this anytime you need to strengthen these sensations. Do follow me and like for more hypnosis and different techniques to help you deal with anxiety, stress, fear, confidence, motivation, so much more. And do check out my freebies in my bio.